Innovative dual row. The combination of super multi-lamp beads can achieve extremely high luminous efficiency. Multi-bulb design, extremely bright, low heating, high power, long-distance irradiation. Upgrade the reflector cup. The combination of dual row and the nesting upgraded reflectors cup is used in the middle. The wide reflector in the middle allows multi-angle refraction, which is very suitable for extreme environment lighting. High performance. IP68 waterproof rate, no fear of bad weather such as rain, fog, weather, and so on, so that you can travel safely. Aluminum alloy housing, efficient cooling, heat dissipation, service life of more than 50,000 hours. Side mounting bracket wide application. A sturdy bracket can firmly fix the pod light's shockproof and fracture prevention through rough terrain. Our light bar can be compatible with almost all Jeeps, 4x4, SUVs, trucks, ATVs, motorcycles, cars, boats, garden lighting, backyard lighting, backup light, off-road lighting, construction lighting, etc. Note: professional installation would be highly recommended. Top reviews from the United States. Finally installed. I lost original mounts, so light bar sat for a while. It's installed and works perfect.